Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 DIY makeup gift ideas that are perfect for the holidays or any anniversary. I'm also going to show you unique wrapping ideas that your friends and family are going to love. Let's start off with the gift idea for a makeup beginner. We have here a primer to make the foundation long lasting. This one also provides UV protection. A clear brow gel to give a polished effect to the brows. A creamy lipstick for easy application. You can never go wrong with a Maybelline mascara. And of course makeup wipes to remove all the makeup products at the end of the day. Take a small wooden basket, add all of the products inside. You can hide the makeup products in a pouch for a little suspense. Don't forget the candy and the small greeting card. Moving on to the gift for a lipstick lover. We all have someone in our lives that loves lipsticks. For them we can get a lip scrub to prepare the lips for any lip product. A super glossy lip gloss. This one by NYX is super shiny. They are going to love this liquid lipstick by L'Oreal. It doesn't move all day long. A bullet lipstick in a beautiful berry shade. And for something fun, let's add this color-changing lip balm. The color of the product is unique for every user. For this wrapping gift idea, you're going to need a glass jar, some ribbon, a greeting card, and of course candies. After that we have the makeup gift idea for the makeup Addicted. This is for someone that likes trying new things. For this one you need a pair of false lashes. It contains a mini lash glue as well. The Smashbox setting spray that can be used as a primer too. The Catrice liquid liner for an amazing eyeliner application. Glitter by NYX in gold for a festive eye look. A highlighter with a beautiful sheen that you can find in a lot of different shades. For this one, take a coffee mug and put inside all of the products. Then get a festive paper bag and you're done! Your friends are going to be very excited with these gifts. They can also keep the gift containers and use them again and again. Let me know in the comments below which gift idea is your favorite. Beauty advent calendars are a great gift idea as well, and you can find here my unboxing videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! The makeup Addicted. Νομίζω το είπα μια φορά και μετά το έκανα απλά χάλια.